Today, Alex is taking the seat at David Rozman's salon. We've never done a curly haircut and style video before, so hopefully this new hair type can help some of you guys out there who have been looking for this kind of content. As per usual, David will be handling the actual cut, but this time I'm actually going to be doing the hairstyling at the end. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you think that I should continue doing the hairstyles when we do these haircut videos. So Alex's hair was already on the shorter side when he came in, but then again, having curls can make your hair appear shorter than it actually is. For this video, we'll be taking down the length on top just a little bit and cleaning up the sides to blend in nicely. When it comes to curly hair, generally you want to be careful going too short on the sides because that could result in a bit of a funny looking poof on top. We can still clean them up a lot, but David is going to make sure to keep a prominent fade so it seamlessly blends in with the curls on top. As for the fringe, just a slight trim. We still want to make sure that Alex can achieve a bit of a controlled volume. Now that the top has been mostly taken care of, it's time to clean up them sides. As mentioned earlier, it's all about blending the sides into the top. We're not looking to create a disconnect for this haircut. And as always, we've got a special discount code for anyone who wants to book in with David for a haircut. If you book in with the link down below, you'll be saving yourself 15%. In terms of measurements, you're looking at a tapered neckline with a fade going from about a 1 to a 3 or a 4. And now Alex is having one more rinse out so I can take over and finish off the style. For Alex's hair, I'll be going in with the usual original Bob BluMaan as a pre-styler and blow dry that through. With the curls and the length, I found that the best approach is just to vigorously scrunch back and forth to help add in some definition to those curls. See, it's not about getting rid of the curls, just rather helping to define them. And since we're dealing with hair on the thicker side, Cavalier clay will be the perfect match to top it all off.